I'm very upset. I'm very, very upset regarding the situation in our country right now. Because you see, only in our country, if you've committed a crime, the crime scene gets more punishment than the criminals involved in the crime. Okay, मतलब अगर कभी चोरी हो जाए तो यार बैंक बंद कर दो, चोर को बेल दे दो, पर बैंक बंद कर दो, बैंक में प्रॉब्लम है, बैंक में बार-बार चोरी हो रही है. And this is another thing that's happened in our capital also. Very recently, a very tragic scene happened. A girl was raped in an Uber cab, and our government found it the most apt decision to ban Uber cabs from India. कि टैक्सी में प्रॉब्लम है, ड्राइवर तो गाड़ी चला रहा था. अरे ड्राइवर तो गाड़ी चला रहा था, वो पीछे कुछ तो हो गया, उसको मालूम भी नहीं. So now basically in our country, women aren't allowed to travel in buses. They can't travel in cabs. They can't travel in rickshaws, no trains. Oh, but you're allowed bullock carts. Women are allowed bullock carts provided there's a panic button and there's CCTV cameras in it. Okay, so women are allowed that. But do you ever see this happening in any other country? If you ever gone to United States of America for a vacation, do you ever see them being like, F it, we shouldn't be using planes after 9/11? ये 9/11 के बाद ना सब प्लेन में पनौती आ गई है, सब बिल्डिंग में घुसते हैं एयरपोर्ट के बदले. ठीक है, तो आई थिंक वी शुड स्टॉप यूजिंग प्लेन्स. आई थिंक वी शुड सेल ऑल द प्लेन्स. एंड देयर ओबामा एंड हिज सेक्रेटरी आर हैविंग अ कन्वर्सेशन कि सर व्हाट डू वी डू अबाउट दीज डिफंक्ट प्लेन्स सर. एंड ओबामा इज लाइक, आई थिंक वी शुड sell it to some Asian country. They always buy anything we sell. So, but sir, we just got an offer. It's from this company called Malaysian Airlines. And Obama was like, yeah, sell it. Hashtag make in Malaysia, hashtag yo. And that's my bit. Thank you so much. I'm Rahul Lalchani and you're watching Joke Studio.